Hey there, fellow adventurers! Today, we're going to talk about an exciting topic, walking in a snowstorm. Now, let's dive right in. Imagine the crisp, cold air hitting your face as you step out into a winter wonderland. The snowflakes are falling all around you, creating a magical scene. But as you start to walk, you realize that it's not as easy as it looks. The snow is up to your knees, and every step is a struggle. But don't worry. There are some tips and tricks to make your snowy walk a bit easier. Firstly, make sure you're dressed for the weather. Wear warm clothes, boots, and a hat to keep you cozy. Secondly, take small steps and keep your balance. The snow can be slippery, so be careful not to fall. And lastly, enjoy the beauty of the snowstorm. It's a unique experience that not everyone gets to enjoy. So there you have it, folks. Walking in a snowstorm can be challenging, but it's also a thrilling adventure. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more exciting content. Stay safe and have fun out there.